All right, folks. So finally, today on 30th of November 2025, you finally have HyperOS 3 for Xiaomi 15 Ultra in India. So, what is the change log? It suggests smoother and more stable. Okay, it just says smoother and more stable performance enhancements, optimization, refined compiler instructions, enhance performance and responsiveness while lowering power use. Now, this lowering power use was very critical because so far the HyperOS 2.0 has been extremely power hungry. It keeps on consuming power because the background applications keep on consuming power quite a lot. So hopefully situation improves quite significantly this time. Let's see. Optimization, improved memory allocation and recovery in allocation and recovery increases available system memory. Difficult to read, but yeah. Optimization, improved integrated frequency scheduling boosts system efficiency and reduces power consumption. Improved short video playback and efficiency for better battery. I don't know. What does it mean? Probably reels, reel playback it is talking about. Optimize graphics, a new window rendering mechanism reduces graphics rendering load. Okay. Smoother system animation, fine-tuned animations across 100 plus system scene for smoother and more natural motion. Xiaomi Hyper Island. I don't know why Hyper Island is there. You don't need a Hyper Island on Xiaomi phones, but yeah, whatever. They are just copying Apple. Everything you need to keep an eye on in one place. Okay. A new format that combines notification spotlight and device notifications, makes any important updates reach you faster. Okay. Whatever that means. New UI design lets you see all the details at a glance with smoother switching between islands. Okay. Now you can pull down to expand small windows and handle multiple tasks more efficiently. Okay, whatever. Revamped visuals, cleaner, more refined visual throughout. Redesign home screen icons. Now look sharper and more detailed. The home screen grid has been redesigned with more balanced margins and more comfortable spaces. The status bar has a new, cleaner design that's more refined and easier to understand. Okay. A new design system improves color comfort. Okay. Whatever does that means. Unified rounded corners across the entire system and makes controls easier to use for a more consistent look and feel. Okay. That's something to understand and know and feel. A new large clock lock screen adds more depth and layers to the layout. A new all-in-one editor allows you to adjust both the home screen and lock screen wallpaper at the same time. Okay. Interactions, comprehensive system app optimization, interactions with apps that has become more intuitive and direct. What does it mean? I don't know. Gallery, new gallery widgets allow you to select your preferred collections for display. Okay. You can pin albums now to have quick access to your favorite photos anytime. Okay. Improved search for quicker and more accurate results for photos. Okay. Weather optimization, all new start page rendering with raindrops and temperature effects that are dynamic and interactive. Improved content card blur effects for smoother and more immersive scrolling e- experience, whatever that means. I am using this transparent weather widgets which I prefer because it also gives me system information, etc., and weather, basically 5 days weather patterns, etc. So I prefer using this weather widgets rather than inbuilt Xiaomi one, but probably I'll try to see if the new one is if Xiaomi is better or something. I'll probably try it out. Calendar, new week view gives you a clear look at your weekly schedule. Okay, this is important because since probably Lollipop, basically, I think Android version 3 or 4, the calendar notifications have essentially died out. Earlier, it used to give me too many notifications, but since those later versions of Android, which I'm talking about like 10 to 15 years ago, um, yeah, you almost never get calendar notifications. Optimization, improved month view visuals give you clearer highlights for holidays and important events. Recorder optimization, accurate start page categories let you locate recordings faster with icons. Okay. Improved playback brings you smart noise reduction for clearer voice. Interconnectivity, cross ecosystem iPad interaction. Okay. New home screen plus enables Xiaomi phone to mirror screen content to your iPad. Oh, this is something new. Hmm. So you can mirror to iPad as well. Cross ecosystem interactivity offers deep compatibility with the Apple ecosystem. So it's trying hard to be Apple, to be like an iPhone. That's what I feel. New home screen plus enable phones to mirror screen content to your iPad. Mac Interactive, you can connect your Xiaomi phone via hotspot in one tap and view its location on a map. Okay. Now you can open multiple phone apps simultaneously and adjust their window sizes. Okay. Cross device unlocking, use your fingerprint or password on your Xiaomi tablet to unlock your phone, Xiaomi phone. Okay. It's it's a new feature. Okay. Unlock your Xiaomi phone quickly using Touch ID, Face ID, and password on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Mhm. Interesting. How can you do it? I don't know. Interactivity availability to use interactivity with Apple devices. Update them to iOS 14, iPad 14, Mac OS 12, and or later. Okay. So I have iOS 26. So let's see. Apple devices must have the latest version of Xiaomi interconnectivity installed. Okay, yeah, that's what it is. So you need to install this app called Xiaomi interconnectivity. Privacy and security, enhanced protection keeps your data and data private and secure, whatever. Systems privacy and password features have been redesigned with a cleaner, fresher interface. Okay, advanced data protection now uses post-quantum encryption to keep personal data even more secure. Hmm? This is interesting. Post-quantum encryption. What is it? The name suggests that even using quantum computers, you cannot decrypt the personal data, which is interesting because I am not aware of any encryption protocol used by phones, etc., other than AES 256, etc. So this post-quantum computing or post-quantum encryption is something new. I'm not aware. Comment if you know it, if you know anything about it. Please do so. Please enlighten me. System updates won't delete anything. This is a normal thing. Okay. So it is extracting and installing. I'll install it and I'll update you accordingly. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share your thoughts, and share this video among your loved ones. And let's have a discussion on Xiaomi 15 Ultra and other Xiaomi phones which are trying to imitate and copy Apple. I don't know why they do it, but they do it. Thank you so much for watching once again. Have a great day. Bye bye.